5. Psychologist and the Historiography of Philosophy. The dialogue of Brendan's perspectives on common sense, ethics and aesthetics suggests that his philosophy has robust psychologistic tendencies. Whether or no longer one is to finish that he does undertake a shape of psychologist relies upon on the precise definition of the latter term. Brentano vehemently rejects the rate of psychologist, which he is taking to face for a subjectivist and anthropocentric function. At the equal time, however, he explicitly defends the declare that psychology is the theoretical technology on which sensible disciplines of common sense, ethics, and aesthetics are based. Hence, Brentano does undertake the shape of psychologist. Husserl appears to have had in thoughts with inside the prolegomena to his logical investigations, in which he defines logical psychologist as a function in line with which important theoretical foundations of common sense lie in psychology, in whose subject the one's propositions belong, as a long way as their theoretical content material is concerned, which offer common sense its feature pattern. Often humans speak as though psychology furnished the sole, sufficient, theoretical basis for logical psychology. Brentano's tendency to provide mental reasons is proven additionally in his technique to the records of philosophy, specifically in his reasons of the mechanisms that specify the ancient improvement on this discipline. According to Brentano, philosophical development takes area in circles. He divides the entire records of philosophy in 3 periods: ancient, medieval, and contemporary day philosophy, every of which can, in line with him, be subdivided in 4 stages. The first is an innovative section of renewal and ascending improvement. The opposite 3 are stages of decline, ruled through a flip closer to sensible pursuits, through skepticism, and eventually through mysticism. After the 4th section, a brand new duration starts co-evolved with the innovative section of renewal. Brentano has supplied his version to a bigger target market pretty overdue in his life, however he had give you it very early in his career. Carl Stumpf reviews that Brentano first got here up with this concept in 1860 and that he used it in his lectures at the Records of Philosophy already in Würzburg with inside the mid-60s, while each the ancient accuracy of and the concepts of cultural psychology that gave upward push to the version may be installed. Query: it certainly tells the reader an awful lot. Approximately Brentano's quick textual content can, thus, excellent be examined as a simplifying narrative that permits the writer to provide an explanation for his conviction that philosophy have to pursue a pure, theoretical pursuits and to explicit his fascination for philosophers like Aristotle, Thomas, or Descartes, in addition to his dislike of Plotinus, Nicholas of Cues, Kant, Hegel,